First TV, update beyond expectation.
Yo, Charlie viewers, I catch one showbiz ninja for here. Yeah, he go introduce himself. Good morning, bro.
Yeah, good morning, man. Also,
everything cool. How be?
I'm good too. Yeah,
I see. I actually expected to see you around here. So long as you are here, I'm expecting to see Smooth, Flexal, and all the squad around.
Yeah. The squad is actually on their way coming. Some are already in. Kobo is in. DJ Black Boy is in, and so many are. Like it's a festival, so yeah, we're still expecting more to come in.
Okay, so tell us so far what's happening here.
So it's a health walk. It's Jubilee Radio's health walk, Hogbetsotso health walk, in partnership with Kekali Radio and then MTN. So people are still at the beach. They are participating. They are doing so many activities, and yeah, the fun is still going on. That's what is happening right now. Okay,
so later in the day, what are we expecting to see?
So actually, on my side, I have Keta to the World Street Carnival. Just at a post office. It's a musical show. Larusso is passing through, Omo Marani, and the whole Collingwood label, and many more artists passing through. Yeah.
All right. So that carnival, is it happening here on the beach?
No, it's not at the beach. It's initially where they've been doing the Keta to the music carnival at the post office, ACG side there. There's going to be a roadblock. Okay. So yeah, expect the masses to be on the streets today to turn up, enjoy music and stuff like that.
All right, Charlie, thank you so much for speaking with us.
Thank you so much. I go by the name K+12 the letters, so actually I'm the Hype General.